Get reliable speeds with TE Connectivity's LEMBAS LTE GNSS USB modem, ran on an LTE Cat4 network with GPS tracking capabilities. From consumer products, industrial automation, engineering education, and maker projects, the LEMBAS LTE GNSS modem prioritizes your next big IoT project. The LEMBAS is designed for use on a wide array of single-board computers, utilizing ARM chipsets and Linux OS. The LEMBAS also includes plug-and-play operations, making LTE and GPS connections ready after plugging in and a single command on terminal for easy installation. The LEMBAS has a built-in Pod Group SIM card which can be activated using the Pod Group's website, enabling connection to the AT&T network, getting data connection subscription you can rely on. The device also functions as a portable USB drive, allowing for extra storage capabilities and convenient installation. Get a wide array of project design choices with flexible connection options and small device footprint capabilities, giving you the freedom of placement without obstructing adjacent USB ports. TE's LEMBAS LTE GNSS modem is your convenient all-in-one package for your next big IoT project. The only limit is your imagination. It's ready to connect your world.